This takes that algae right off the pavement real easy. There's another attachment I have to get where I can do a wider pattern and take that right off of there. Let me show you. Now this does a better for pavement. This has a spinning thing underneath here. See? And that'll do that whole, you'll do 12 inches at a time instead of a couple inches. And you just push that along here. I need a little adapter to make it a little bit longer. And then you can just go along here like that and take that right off a lot faster than that short little blast. Couple dollar attachment and I'm in business.